Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x. And we have to find the real solution to this problem. But before we begin, I'm giving out 100% free math ebook. So go to the description of this video, tap on the first link and then put in your name and your Gmail. Then I'll send the book to you. The very first thing I'm going to do is to divide each side of the equation by 9 to the power x. So I'll divide here by 9 to the power x. I'll divide here by 9 to the power x, and lastly, I'll divide this side by 9 to the power x. Then from here, we have 4 over 9 or to the power x plus, then here we have 6 divided by 9 or to the power x, and this side, this one will cancel this, so we have the right hand side to be 1. Now you see that from here, 4 could be written as 2 to the power 2 divided by 9 is also the same as 3 to the power 2, then all to the power x plus, then from here 3 goes into 6 2 times and then goes into 9 3 times. So we have 2 over 3 all to the power x, and this is equal to 1. Since 2 and 3 are raised to the same power, we can write this as 2 over 3 all to the power 2, then all to the power x plus, then from here we have 2 divided by 3 all to the power x, and this is equal to 1. Now from indices, if I have a to the power m or to the power n, this is the same as a to the power n or to the power m. So from here we can interchange them, right? So we can write this as 2 over 3 or to the power x or to the power 2 plus 2 over 3 or to the power x, and this is equal to 1. Now from here, let's let y equal to 2 over 3 all to the power x. So the equation now becomes y to the second power plus y is equal to 1. From here, we can equate everything to 0. So if you do that, we have y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And you can see we have quadratic equation. So let's use the quadratic formula to figure out the value of y. So we have y is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4ac. We have a to be 1, then c to be negative 1, or divided by 2a. A is 1, so we're going to have here to be 2. So we have y is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, that is positive 4, plus 1, that is going to be 5. So we have here to be 5, or divided by 2. Right? So it means that it is either y is equal to negative 1 plus root 5 over 2, or y is equal to negative 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But remember, initially we said that y is equal to 2 over 3 all to the power x. So when y is equal to this whole thing, we have 2 divided by 3 all to the power x is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we want to find s, so let's introduce natural log on the both sides of the equation. So we have natural log of 2 over 3 all to the power x is equal to natural log of negative 1 plus square root of 5 all divided by 2. Applying the rules of natural log, this one becomes the coefficient. So we have x natural log of 2 divided by 3, and this is equal to the exact same thing. We have negative 1 plus square root of 5 all divided by 2. Then from here, straight away, we can divide each side of the equation by ln of 2 divided by 3. Then from here, I'll divide it by 2 divided by 3. And straight away, you can see that this whole thing will take care of this. Now we have x is equal to ln of negative 1 plus square root of 5 all divided by 2, then all divided by ln of 2 divided by 3. Right? Now from here, you can straight away point this on a calculator. So let me do that quickly. If you do that, we have x is equal to 1.186814339. So this is the value of x when y is equal to this whole thing, right? Then what about when y is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 all divided by 2? So we have -1 minus square root of 5 all divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 3 all to the power x. Now if you look at this one, we have negative, negative, so it's going to make this whole thing negative, right? So if you introduce natural log on the both side of the equation, we are going to have complex solutions. So we are not going to consider this one since we are not interested in complex solutions. So the value of x finally turns out to be this answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.